Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Skimlinks and enable automatic affiliate linking step by step clearly. Visit the Skimlinks website. Click on the Join or Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal information. Create a username and password for your account. Agree to the terms and conditions. Submit your registration form. Check your email for a confirmation message from Skimlinks. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Log in to your Skimlinks account. Navigate to the dashboard once logged in. Locate the Settings tab in the main menu. Click on Settings to access your account configurations. Find the Affiliate Linking section. Toggle the switch to enable automatic affiliate linking. Review the settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Save the changes to activate the feature. Explore the monetization section to familiarize yourself with additional tools. Consult the Skimlinks documentation for detailed guidance on usage. Begin adding Skimlinks to your content to start earning through affiliate marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.